Hi there, my name is Kelly Wetherington, and I will be introducing you to who I am through this presentation. I grew up living in Abbottstown, PA, with my mom, dad, 2 dogs, and 3 rabbits until I was 16. When I turned 16, my mom and I moved to New Oxford, PA, and we are currently still living there. I graduated from high school in 2018. I have gone to Christian schools through my whole school career and then graduated from Adams County Christian Academy in Gettysburg. After high school, I started HAC in the fall of 2018, and I will be graduating this spring of 2020 with my associates in elementary education. I will then transfer to Millersville University in the fall of 2020 and will graduate in the spring of 2022 with a double major in special education and elementary education. I have many hobbies, but these are just a few. I absolutely love to travel anywhere and everywhere. These few pictures are from my times in New York City, Washington, D.C., Trinidad, South America, Montana, and Florida. And I also have always loved animals. Some of them have such personalities and they are so fun to interact with. And then on the other spectrum, I love going hunting, whether it be in Pennsylvania, West Virginia, or Montana. Probably one of the most therapeutic hobbies that I have is cooking and baking. If I'm not working or in school, you can most likely find me in the kitchen. I just love how you start with basic, plain ingredients, and then you have an end result of something spectacular. And I will definitely admit that I'm a foodie. I love spending time with my family. I have such a great family. They're so supportive, and I'm also thankful for them. My 2 other favorite people to spend time with are my 2 nieces, Maya and Kayla. They are both my 2 mini-me's, and I love to take them on day trips to special places or to just have a girls' day and go shopping and have lunch. I have never wanted to do photography as a profession, but it is definitely a hobby of mine. I find it very relaxing to go out into nature and to capture such pretty images. My family also utilizes my eye by having me take each family's Christmas card pictures every year. Thank you for watching, and I hope this presentation has helped you to learn a little bit more about me.